Would you like to give your image a romantic touch? I will show you how to edit sunset with PhotoDirector. Just open the app, tap Edit, choose the image you would like to work with, and then find Effects, Sky, and after that you can choose clouds, moons, and so on, but I will go with sunset too. And here you can find different types of sunset. You can experiment with these. I think this will be perfect for me. Click on the check mark and do not forget to download your romantic image. Thank you for your kind attention.